Hey everyone, this is Will White with Appspace here at InfoComm 2026. I'm here in the Appspace booth, and I want to show you something really exciting. This is an Appspace-powered wayfinding kiosk. This is part of our overall space management, space reservation platform, right? That part of the overall workplace experience platform. It's actually running on a D10 kiosk, one of our good hardware partners on an urban stand, but there are a few experiences I want to highlight. So here we have an Appspace-powered wayfinding kiosk using a lot of our out-of-the-box functionality where I can see a floor plan, I can see what rooms are available, what desks are available at a glance, I could potentially navigate to them, right? Get my route, even scan a QR code to take the map with me. And in this case, we're actually showing off some IoT integration to pull in actual sensor data as well, to let employees make an informed decision about where they want to work, where they want to host a meeting. Now, I also want to highlight on this same kiosk some of the other partner integrations for wayfinding that we have. So for example, our new integration with Microsoft Places. We just launched this. So this is Appspace's wayfinding kiosk, right? All of our tooling, our tool set, branding, all the controls you'd expect from our platform, searching, filtering, et cetera. But the data, the literal floor plan here, is coming directly from Microsoft Places. So we're bringing the Places experience, which is purely digital, typically, right? It's in Teams, it's in Outlook, et cetera, into the physical workplace, right? Connecting the digital physical. Another thing to highlight is another integration with a partner of Appspace. Again, an Appspace-powered wayfinding kiosk, but in this case integrated with Pointer. Pointer is an industry leader mapping engine, right? They do beautiful 3D rendered maps, right? Bring your spaces to life. They do true wayfinding as well. And even better, when you do that take the map with you functionality, they can give you full turn-by-turn, right? True blue dot, guiding you through your interiors of your corporate offices, your warehouses, wherever you might deploy this. So no matter how far you want to take a wayfinding experience or what partners you're working with, Appspace has got you covered. And if you want to learn more about that, you can check out our website at www.appspace.com.